It's not even that, my nigga. We've got everybody out here that came to see us run. So, you know.
And it was supposed to be, you come off the trailer, we come off the trailer, let's race.
Oh, nah, I said I need to.
You took touch hits on Wednesday, nigga. Stop doing
Your car was running consistent on Wednesday.
You gotta get it fucking turned up. What do you think? I'm gonna come over here on low boost? Come on,
yeah,
bro.
my tuner, look, he's drunk.
I know he's
drinking. All my niggas going fine. Hey, hit him with the clutch.
All my niggas going fast. We're gonna crush the horse today. We're gonna see.
Let's do this test and then.
Has anyone seen Chunk?
Can y'all go up now?
Yeah. Mikey,
Well, you were supposed to be, you come off the trailer, I come off the trailer.
Está bien, pero yo entiendo que he's having problems. I'm talking about that.
It would have been us, we would have lost.
Bro, but if it was his problem, I would be like, bro, go ahead, bro. We want a nice, fair race. Yeah. Both of us down the track.
So let's do the hits. That's it. Do the hits and we'll figure it out.
Let's go. All right.
That's fast?
All my niggas go fast.